Hi friends, today in this video we will see task. That is the main objective of task is to run our code in separate thread, or we can say you can implement asynchronous programming using task. So task is an execution of code which run on separate threads so as to free main thread. Okay, so if you create a task and you assign some method to that, it will run on a particular separate thread, and main thread will get free. Okay, so it is mainly used for achieving asynchronous programming. In this video we will also see cancellation token source, which gives us a token which is assigned to a task created and can use that token to cancel the task execution whenever required. Okay, so you can use this cancellation token source to cancel a task if some task is getting more time. Okay, so we can cancel that task also. Okay, so now we will see the code. Now suppose we have a run method. In our method we are writing that main thread is started. Okay, this is our main thread. Then we will write task is started. Here we are creating a task t equal to task.run. In run we are assigning on one method do work. Okay, so this task will execute this method in background, and we are assigning this token to the task. Okay, so this is our cancellation token source. From here we are taking the token. Okay, so suppose you want to cancel a task, you can use this token. You can use this token source. Now suppose we are calling do work. In do work we are doing for loop for 10 times. Okay, and here we are checking if is task cancellation request is given, then we will return from this method, so it will stop executing, so task will be cancelled here. Okay, and if you will not cancel the task, you can go ahead. It will right line all the steps like step 1 2 3 4 5 till 10. Okay, and then we are sleeping. We are giving a delay of 500 millisecond, that is half a second. Okay, and here we are writing thread.current thread.manage thread id. So as I said that the task is running on a particular separate thread, so here we can see the id of thread also using current thread dot manage thread id, and we can also see whether it is using a thread pool thread. Okay, so is it a thread pool thread? So whenever you create any task, it queues your task into a thread pool. Thread pool internally executes your method. Okay, in background, and here we are giving task is finished. Okay, so we will go through the steps. We'll run. We will do start debugging. See, debug is started. Okay, so first we are writing main thread started, say F10. Then we are starting writing task started. So you can see here main thread started, task started. Okay, now we are running a new task, that is do work. So moment you run this task, it will execute this do work method in background, and it will immediately go to this statement. So it will not wait because the task is on separate thread, so main thread will become free. Okay, see, immediately main thread is freed, and we are writing this, that is main thread is finished. See, okay, So this is main advantage of using task. You can execute your methods in background on a separate thread. So if we say continue, okay, here it will write all the steps 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we are showing thread id 4, so it is running on a thread having id 4, and each thread pool thread, yes, true. So it is running, your method is running on a thread pool thread, and now a task is finished. Okay, so we'll stop this. I hope you understood how task is working, how to implement task. Now suppose you want to wait for a task to complete, then only you want to go ahead here, then also you can do. We'll check that also. Once start debugging. Okay, see, now it is waiting for a task, then only main thread is finished. See, okay, because we have given task.wait. See, once again we will see. Now we are doing console.writeLine. Main thread started, task started. Now we are running a task. So here we have written t.wait. So it will wait till task is getting finished, then only it will go ahead. So you can wait for task also to complete, or if you don't write, it will not wait, main thread will not wait for the task. Continue. Okay, see, this is done. So we have started task. After task is finished, main thread finishes. So main since we are waiting for a task, main thread is not getting finished here. Okay, so it is very bad practice actually. You should not wait for a task. It should run on background independently. Okay, we'll stop now. Now here we can also do one thing. We will comment this wait, and we can cancel a task. We can cancel task after say 2 seconds. We will cancel task. So the all it will not print all steps from 1 to 10. Okay, in between it will get cancelled. So we'll see this also. We'll put breakpoint here. See, after 4 steps task is cancelled. Okay, main thread finished and task is cancelled. Okay, we will do debugging. We will keep breakpoint here. Since we are calling cancel method, it will go inside this. Okay, see, after 2 seconds we called cancel method, so it went inside this. So now it is returning, so method is getting over, means finished. Method execution is done. So now main thread is also finished and task is cancelled. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood this task, how to use task, how to wait for a task, how to cancel a task using token. We are assigning this token, so that's why we are able to cancel task using this cancellation token source. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Kindly support us and do subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. If you like video, please click on like and also write some comments, and also press bell icon so that you will get notification